Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the Sony Alpha III Mirrorless Camera, a revolutionary camera that raises the bar for professional photography and videography. Before we get started, make sure to check the link below to grab this powerhouse device at the best price available today. You won't want to miss it. The Sony Alpha III is equipped with the world's first full-frame 24.6 MP global shutter system, delivering unparalleled image quality and speed. The global shutter eliminates distortion during fast action shots or when shooting with rolling shutter effects, making it a game-changer for sports, wildlife, and event photographers. The camera boasts lightning-fast performance with up to 30 frames per second continuous shooting, ensuring you never miss a moment. Its advanced autofocus system tracks subjects with precision, even in challenging conditions. Paired with Sony's renowned AF technology, this camera ensures sharp and accurate focus, whether you're capturing portraits, wildlife, or fast-paced action. Video enthusiasts will love its 4K 120fps recording capabilities, delivering ultra-smooth, high-resolution footage. With a full-frame sensor, it offers breathtaking dynamic range, vibrant colors, and cinematic quality in every shot. The Alpha III is also equipped with dual memory card slots, ensuring you have ample storage for high-resolution photos and videos. The build quality is nothing short of professional, featuring a lightweight yet durable magnesium alloy body with weather sealing, making it perfect for shooting in any environment. The ergonomic design and intuitive controls ensure a comfortable and seamless shooting experience. With advanced connectivity options like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and USB-C, transferring and sharing files is a breeze. Whether you're a professional photographer or a serious enthusiast, the Sony Alpha III offers the versatility and performance you need to take your craft to the next level. If you're looking for a top-tier mirrorless camera with cutting-edge technology, the Sony Alpha III is an absolute must-have. Don't forget to check the link below to grab yours today and elevate your photography and videography game like never before.